What's going on, everyone? Desten here, back at it again for another Switch review video. Today we'll be talking about the Sage Linears from Gateron. Coming stock with 10 switches in a pack at $3.50 USD, or get hand lubed 10 switches in a pack for $6.50 USD. Custom switch project brought to you by Unikeys and Mori. They consist of a Sea Salt Smoothie Stem into a KS-3 Milky Yellow Pro housing. Molds include the Sea Salt Smoothie Stem and the KS-3 Milky Yellow Pro housing. Stem material includes a modified palm, with the top housing consisting of modified Milky nylon. Bottom housing is a modified nylon. They operate at a 47 gram actuation and a 55 gram bottom mount. Pre-travel at 2.0 millimeters and a total travel at 3.6 millimeters. 18mm KOS single stage extended spring, coming factory lubed on the stem legs and leaves. Using the cherry style switch opener, we'll crack open the Sage Linears and take a look at each component. Starting off with our modified Milky nylon top housing, modified palm stems in the Sea Salt Smoothie mold, 18mm KOS single stage extended spring. Lastly, our bottom housings consisting of modified nylon. With some frankenswitches, it could be hit or miss. This combination was a match made in heaven. They're a 5-pin PCB mount linear switch, coming factory lubed. Let's go ahead and take a listen. Up next, we'll test the tolerances on the Gateron Sage Linear Switches, and I gotta say, pretty solid. A little bit of wobble, so they can use some film, but me personally, I won't be using any at all. Aside from extra 205G0, these are stock. Stem molds feel pretty tight too. When it comes to the housings, it does seem like keycaps fit on pretty snug. Up next, we'll compare these with the other Gateron switches we currently have in the inventory. Finish things off, we got a sound test with the Gateron Sage Linears, Neo 75 CU, no foam, carbon fiber plate, Kikobo vibratos. Take a listen.